Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with My Creative Time's 165th edition release. And yesterday you've seen quite a bit of projects that we made using her new release. We did not show you the dies, so today is the official die reveal. And I'm just going to jump right in. I'm not going to show you everything as far as what I showed yesterday in detail. You may go back a video to check out all of the ephemera and the papers that I showed yesterday, but I'm just going to go quickly through these. So we had some peppermint sprinkles, and these are epoxy stickers, really cute, love those. And then we have holiday evergreens ephemera. And like I said, just go back a video and you can check out all of that in detail. And we also have the holiday bears ephemera. These are so cute. Love those. And then we also have the 'Tis the Season 2026 paper pack. And that is very, very pretty. Let me show you like that. Okay, starting out we have the poinsettia die plate. And these are so super cute. Love those. So super cute, even down to the smallest detail. Adorable. And then we have the Cozy Holiday Hug stamp and dies. So these are very, very cute. Love those. Love them. Comes with the sentiments as well. And then we have the Pocket Corner bookmarks. Those are very cute as well. Love that. And then we have the cute pinwheel dies. And so we have a few layering pieces there, as well as the cute pinwheels, and they can be a flower on one side, pinwheel on the other. We have the 3x3 chunky card holder die. I love this die set. It is adorable, and it's great for all your 3x3 projects, or smaller, or even chunkier, so that you can fit in that box. These are my additional projects that I'm using today. I have the largest, I'm using the largest double bow die. I'm also using the 3x3 hard card die, and I'm only using the end pieces there, those layering pieces. 3x3 trifold card die, and then as well as the 3x3 fancy envelope die. So those are what I'm using today. Those my little set of 3x3 cards that I am showing. I thought this turned out so cute. Love that little bear up top, and of course I had to add a little sparkle on there. And I'm using the front and back side of this paper here, and the back side has little Christmas trees in there, if you can see it. And then, like I said, I added some sparkle in there. And I made this as a belly band, and I forgot to show you that belly band, but it's the eyelet belly band along with one of the backside layers, and you can just pull that right off. Look at that. Love that. And then how I do my belly bands, I usually just layer it up, and I know there's like a little opening, and I always cover my little opening with whatever I'm laying on top. So this goes together seamlessly, and you won't see that extra space or how you covered it up, because it'll be hidden when you put it back on here. So that's how I do that. But anyways, love this. Look at this. Look at all those layers. Just so cute. And I love, love, love those roses in there. Just really cute. Let's open that up so I can show you my cards. Oh, look at there. Aren't those so cute? Oh, I love that ephemera. She has the cutest little ephemera. So this is my 3x3 card, and each card is a little different. I did use those little clip pins. I forgot what they're called. The little clips that I put off to the side just to close that up. And then let's open that. But look at that. I have the ephemera with some sparkle on there, and I use those peppermint sprinkles. And then this is where I use that 3x3 heart die, and I use that as a layering piece right there to layer that up. And I put North Pole wishes there, and then there goes an extra layering piece there. But I thought that turned out so cute. And then all of the cards are the same except for the sentiments. The sentiments are a little different. And so I'm just going to take all of those out of there so you can see those. And this one says wrapped in love, and this one says special delivery. This one has the mailbox, which I love, on there. And then the little bear with a little ephemera, and I added some presents behind that. And then I also did the envelopes to go with that. But I thought that just turned out the cutest, the absolute cutest. Let me move this up a little bit more so you can see all of those in a little bit more detail. Isn't that so cute? I love this chunky box because you can put anything in there, from candies to the bookmarks that she just came out with. And then of course the 3x3, all of her 3x3 card sets will fit in there as well. I love those, love them. Okay, let's do a recap real quick. Let me kind of clean this, not necessarily clean it up, but put it away a little bit, shall we? And so that I can show you the other items. Let's put that right on there. It slides right back on there. Okay, and then this is what I showcased yesterday. And that's that pinwheel set along with the poinsettia dies, and I made some poinsettias in there and just added some shred. And these are sentiments that I can gift, and I did put those down with removable glue dots. So that's how that looks. Then I also made a card showcasing the ephemera and the little peppermint dot and the paper. So cute. There goes the inside of that one. Set that there. And then I made another card using the bookmark, and I made it as a gift card, so you can just put that right in there. Don't worry, that's empty. It's already used. So you won't be able to get anything off that. But anyways, and there goes the cozy holiday hugs, and then I added the stickles on all of those as well. And then let me show you the inside of this card. And stacked with joy, I added some peppermint, little peppermint sprinkles, and then a little bit of sprinkle on my ephemera there. We'll set that there. And then I did make another little bookmark corner, so you can just layer that right onto your book. Just goes just like this. It's just like the cutest little thing. Just pop that right on there, and it layers up, something like that. So these are all the projects that I made for you. Hopefully that I've given you some inspiration. And if you'd like to go shopping, you may use my code. It's MOE for 15% off your total purchase today. And that sale will run until tomorrow, midnight Pacific Standard Time. And you can use any of the designers' codes as well. Everyone's links will be down below. Make sure you check out Instagram ladies over there and leave a comment and be at least 18 years old or older for a chance to win a $50 gift certificate. And I think that is it. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day. Stay safe out there.